participants here, we try to provide to a wide range of participants. So we've got some producers here that might have had cattle for 5 minutes and might only have 5 head. We've got some people here that have come from properties that are running 3,000 breeders. So we cater into a lot of different levels of education within the industry, but we try and do cater for everybody. We have lots of quiet time sessions that we sit down and talk, and a lot of those people will come and talk to you about different things that they perceive in their own operations, and we're trying to deal with those. And we've got lots of experienced people, as well as myself, that are here supporting us as judges and that through the week to help them sort that out. So anyone that is thinking of coming to the course, it's a tremendous course, and it doesn't really matter whether you're a beginner in the industry or you've been in the industry for lots of years. We think we've got something to give to you and that you will get something out of it. And I really do think that it's a wonderful school and it's really well worth the effort. We really do, and anyone that we ever get from interstate are blown away about how much that we can fit into 3 or 4 days. You know, we'll end up judging like 20 odd groups of cattle of various breeds and different types and market categories that people get pretty smashed with information and with our night education sections back in the lecture theatre, people are actually getting a bit of the science and that behind the industry as well. It's great. It's really, I love the passion. I love educating people about agriculture, and obviously here we're educating about the beef industry. It's an overall package that we try to provide here, and talking about industry, and we're in the meat business, and we just happen to have cattle at the front of it to provide meat to industry. So we're trying to explain to people that getting it right back at farm helps the whole industry and the whole chain to make money along the way, whether that is the producer through to backgrounders, through to feedlotters, and then through to the processors and wholesalers at the end of the chain, that everybody's making money because we're producing better cattle. And that's what we're trying to educate people. If you're going to have cattle, you might as well have good ones. So we're trying to educate people on selecting for better cattle and that sort of thing in their own herds or in herds that they're managing or involved in. So basically, we go through a number of classes, and we'll sort cattle into groups of 4, and then we'll assess those cattle under a different market specification, and we'll place those cattle how we perceive that they perceive and suit that market, and their functionability and their structure and all those combinations in the cattle that we're working for. And we'll place those 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then when the participants go through a class, they'll look and assess those cattle, and then we'll have a discussion and discuss those yards and why we've done it, and why they think if they vary to us and why they would vary to us, and we'll have that discussion. This is an assessment class rather than a judging school, but we use the judging system to learn assessment and looking at various points through the system.